Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video of SPY. How I traded SPY, my SPY trade. You know, today is a bit of a up and down, I guess, day for me. Took like 7 trades, which is insane if you ask me. 7 trades, but came out on top. It was a $260 day. I was down, so my thing is I was trading with $5,000 before, but I decided I was gonna take it down to 1,000 on the simulator trading account because I am trading on a simulator PM for paper money. So these are all the trades I took. I'll just explain that in a second. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm over trading, and I think that's something I need to work on. Because sometimes I'll see a nice move and I'll just jump right in right away. I'm like, okay, I know it's gonna go here, but then I'll go do something else for a little bit and then come back and I'm like, oh shit, the trade is the move already happened. For example, I remember yesterday, I think it was, if I'm correct, let's see if I can spot it. I don't remember what trade it was. I did a trade or something like that, and I bought calls or puts, something like that. I don't remember, but the move already happened. Maybe it was here, maybe where I bought calls. The move happened. Didn't check back on the move till it's like down here or something like that. But then it was too late. I don't remember. I don't think it was this one actually. I don't remember exactly, but I tend to do that, so I need to also work on that and also work on, because I think it's because I'm trading with paper money where I make those sort of risk. I need to take it serious and be more focused and take trades as if it's with real money, obviously, you know. So for example, let's say I would have bought calls. Let's say I bought calls right here at this. Use a double bottom. Let's say I bought calls at the break right here, for example, or at the break here, for example. I would say, you know what, I believe the stock is gonna go upwards. I would then buy calls here, but then the move happened. Boop, reach, let's say my selling point was right here. Move happened, I entered here, reached target price, and then even above, and then by the time I check back on it, price may even be down here. All of a sudden I'm in a negative because I'm just not taking it serious. So I realized that, and that's one of the reasons why I took 7 trades today, I think, because I kept buying and selling and buying and selling, because I saw a setup, or I think I see something, or I think, and it's all scrambles, and that's not how trading works, right? Because if you have your real money on the line, you obviously can't do that. But yeah, let's go into the trade today. Enough with my gibberish and my talking. So the first trade I took today, the very first trade, was actually in the opening. I know most people don't recommend trading the open, but I was like, you know what, I do see a setup here. So I said, okay, here's a pullback right here. I said, okay, I'm gonna enter the break right here, and I believe I entered it right here. And I sold, I think, on this candle right here, just a quick one. Entered right here at the break, boop, and I sold right here. My stop loss would have been just below here, and it was a quick one. I believe I was up maybe around $114, maybe 116, maybe something like that. I don't remember exactly. Then I saw the trade running up. I took a couple other trades. Let me look on here. The first trade I took was at 9:30. It was 9:33. Yeah, so that was the very first trade, 9:33. So from $1.44, I sold to $1.59. Then the second one was at 9:51, and I sold at 10. see here, and I think that I sold that one, so 951, so that one was sold at a loss. So 951, let's go back to the charts here, and 951 I bought. What did I bought at 951? Let's see here. At 951, was it puts? Oh, it's not really showing me. It's not really showing me what I bought here. Oh yeah, it was puts. So I guess I had bought puts 951. So I thought, okay, well, yeah. So this was my thought process here actually. So I thought, okay, well, we reached a major point. I'm expecting price to come down. So I said, okay, well, I believe I drew a line here like this. And then I said, okay, I think price is gonna come down here. But the issue is I didn't wait for confirmation to happen. And price just went up, and that was a loss. So I was down for a little bit there, and eventually, as you can see, price eventually came down. But it's patience, and waiting for your confirmation to happen. Wait for you to get your entries right. This is why I'm paper trading. This is why I'm learning different things and see what works and see what not. So that was the first winning trade I made. There's a few other ones that I made. I'm gonna show you one more lost. How do I get out of this? How do I get out of this? Okay. Another one I took. Let's see if I can find another one I took. Here. That was a losing one as well. So yeah, 4 out of 7. So I got 3 wrong and I got 4 right. So now I'll just show the next big trade I made. So I took a bit. I won't go through all of them. And then this was the final one. This was the one that I got in on a really good entry here. Oh no, actually I wouldn't really say a good entry because it did pull all the way down. I got in at I bought at $1.28 and I sold for $1.78, and that was what really pushed the day up for us. Let me see here. And this is where I entered on that one. So right here I saw, okay, we're pulling back here. We're pulling back right here, and I thought to myself, okay, I think this is a nice bull flag pattern here because I'm looking for price to come back up. So price pushed, pull back. I was waiting, but I entered. I don't know, for some reason I'm having trouble just waiting for confirmation. Like, this is a big thing I need to work on, because my problem sometimes is I don't want the move to happen. Like, you might get a boop, the move happened. By the time the move happened, you enter at the top of the move. Like, I don't. So I try to get in early, and I think that's an issue, and I think I need to work on that and work on confirmation. Even talking about these things to you guys, I think it's really gonna help me in my trading. So yeah, enter right here somewhere on this candle. Let me check exactly when I entered. So that would be 11:42. 11:42. So I entered at 11:42. So just before the break. So tell me that ain't a terrible entry. If that's not a terrible entry, I don't know what is. I entered on this candle here, and then prices went. Prices completely tanked on me. Right? double bottom right here. Price did a double bottom right here, and but I held it, not because I was like, you know what, I was confident in this thing. I held it because I was distracted. So I wouldn't even count this as a fair trade, because I probably would have sold it because it would have break our stop loss right here, and I probably would have spotted a double bottom, and I probably would have either entered somewhere here or somewhere here or somewhere at this line right here that I drew. Depending on how prices move with this big push, I probably would have entered here, to be honest. But yeah, with that, and this is how it happens. Price, I somehow caught it actually right above here, and I was like, whoa, and then I just sold it right there. Let me see here, the time I sold it at. Oops. At 11:59. Which candle was that? 11:59. So I sold it on this little mini candle here. This little tiny piece of thing right here. This tiny green candle here. Let's zoom in on that. This little tiny green candle here. This one right here. That's the one I sold it on. And yeah, that was the last trade I made for the day. I took for the day. All throughout here, I was making some bad decisions and bad trades. Thinking, okay, I believe price is gonna go up here, I believe price is gonna go here, I believe price will go here, and finally price hit the direction, in the upward direction, and it went in our favor, luckily. And yeah, I wouldn't even count this as a trade that was thought out and well thing, because I would have sold. Where would I probably look for an entry? Probably would have entered on this pullback here again. Right here, this area here, right? I'm still at that. If I was to say look for another entry, I would have entered right here, and then probably would have gotten out somewhere around this level here. So I wouldn't. So I really don't wait for price to hit these marks I make, to be honest. Even though I have these zones, these lines marked out, these support and resistance lines, these orange lines, I don't wait for price to touch them. I never do, because sometimes you might, for example here, you might think price is gonna go up, and then you might say, yeah, I don't do that. I always see on YouTube, I always see people mark, yeah, I'm gonna take profit here, and I always wonder to myself, like, that is a lot of faith to think that the price will actually go there. Sometimes the price just literally go close to it and just go complete, just reverse. I don't wait for that to happen. I just look and I see, okay, is the candle still looking strong? If I see, okay, clearly we're pulling back here kind of heavy, I'll say, all right, I'm out, I'll take mine and I'll be happy and I'll go. So yeah, that's the sort of trade I took today, and that was pretty much it, guys. Pretty much it. If you want me to explain the other things I'm using in these to help me get entries and stuff like that, yeah, if I get 1,000 views on this videos, I'll explain the strategy I'm practicing. It seemed to be working so far. It just, I need to work on a few little minor things and be patient and wait. Just wait for the confirmation to enter, because I think entering on the pullbacks are amazing, honestly. Once you find out, okay, the direction, for example here, when I saw, okay, price broke here, I saw this little pullback, I'm like, I'm waiting for as soon as it broke, enter. Like those little sort of entries right here, right like that, I think those are good. For example, even here, if someone would have entered on this little pullback here, huge gain, huge profits. I did made a mistake and entered right here. No, it was here. Oh, it was this one. So I made a mistake there as well. Say someone entered on this pullback here, bam. So these little pullbacks, entering on these pullbacks are very good. But if I do get 1,000 views on this video, I'll explain the little things that used to help me figure out what direction the price is going in, and if it's gonna stay in that direction, or if I should exit early or not. And just, yeah, little things that used to help me out. If you want me to explain that, I will. If this video get 1,000 views, let's see. Starting out, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll continue to post on my days off from work, as I am working a 9 to 5, and yeah, we'll see how it goes as time go. And eventually, when I do start live trading, I'll likely record the screen live. I'll try to record the screen live tomorrow, God willing. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If there's anything you think I should talk more about, or I should mention, or anything like that, just let me know. I'll just show you guys the profits here, and this is what it was for today. So yeah, I'm starting with $1,000, and then I'm gonna see if I can grow that $1,000 into 2,000, and then I'll see if I can grow that 2,000 into 3,000. I'll just slowly take my time and see how it goes. I won't reset it again. I'll just leave it as that. And yeah, actually it was down. I think maybe from the previous day I was down like $900. No, I was down 800. Then I brought it up to 9. And that's the reason why 900 and something. And that's the reason why they said the P&L is 260, because I was down. Actually, I just didn't record that I was trading. But yeah, I won't reset it again. So currently we have $1,114 in the account. Let's see if we continue to keep these growing up and continue to have consistent green days. So I learned today patience, wait for confirmation, and don't overtrade, don't revenge trade. I mean, hell, trading is hard. I remember watching a YouTube video of a guy, and he was saying he almost got a divorce because of trading. I'm like, whoa, like this thing is serious. Like I guess he was putting in so much time and effort into it, and I was like, whoa. He said he almost got a divorce. I think it was Trading the Coded, I think. Yeah, check out his channel as well. He sort of inspired me as well. I follow him and I watch a lot of his videos. His style of trading is different, and I think his style of trading is hard, but that guy is sharp and sniper. Based on his entries, I know he's getting in and getting out. He seemed to be a very honest guy anyways, because he shows his losses, he shows these when he doesn't even trade. So I think he's a guy, and he also trades SPY, so it's a guy you guys should check out as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.